Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly Microsoft Office. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that will help you with our topic in this video. What you're going to do is click on your Windows icon or your start icon and go to settings. From here, we are going to the apps and you should see your app list. We're going to scroll through and look for Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office. You select it and we click on modify. Click on yes and you should have a window popped up and you should also have a repair option available. So select the quick repair option or anything similar and click on repair. Click on repair once again and this will try repairing the error that we just got, which hinders you from opening up your Microsoft applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, and more. Once it is done repairing, you can then hit close, try restarting your computer, and try opening up your Microsoft apps again. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.